Are you struggling with trying to figure out what to get someone for Christmas that is an artist that loves to draw? Or you just need some ideas on what to get them? Or you're an artist and you're looking for new tools to help you grow your skills and to try new things? I want to share with you some of the things that I enjoy using, as well as some of the things that is on my wish list that I would love to use as an artist. I've put a lot of thought into this gift guide, so let's take a look. Not only is drawing a profession, but it's also a great hobby for anybody. Doesn't matter how old you are, young, old, it's a great way to be creative and have some fun. These gift ideas that I'm going to share are for anybody, all ages, and so let's dive right in. So this first section, we're going to talk about the essential drawing tools that every artist should have. I'll be sharing a handful of tools and different art supplies, and so I'm going to put a list of them down in the description so you can take a look for yourself. Let's start with drawing pencils. So a set of high quality drawing pencils with a range of hardness can really elevate an artist's work. These pencils allow for different levels of detail and shading. One of my favorite brands is the Faber-Castell 9000 series. They are drawing pencils. They have a wide range of hardness to softness. And then next we have graphite powder. This falls under my wish list. I actually have not used graphite powder before. I usually just scrape off the graphite from the pencil, but graphite powder is very useful for creating soft shading and other various techniques. And with graphite powder and charcoal powder, they can be easily applied with a brush and then blended to create really smooth gradients. And so these are perfect for artists who want to create really large, bold drawings with a lot of depth and dimension. And let's not forget about erasers. The Knead eraser. This tool is a lifesaver for artists. It can be molded into any shape and used to lift the graphite from the paper without damaging it. And so it's a really nice eraser. It's perfect for all artists, anybody who draws. And along with the graphite powder, there is also the graphite sticks that you can use to scrape graphite off or use it to cover large areas of the paper. And then next we have the mechanical pencil. Mechanical pencils are great for doing really fine detail, perfect straight lines, and it's a great tool for all artists to have. There are many different types of mechanical pencils out there. Try one that works for you. Some tend to be a little heavier than others. Now let's talk about some art accessories that can really help the artists take their work to a new level. First, we have a light box, something that I put on my wish list that I don't currently use. Light boxes are very useful. A lot of times I use my flashlight and put it underneath a piece of glass. But it's not as effective as an actual light box. This device provides a very bright and even light that makes it easy for artists to trace or transfer their designs. And so it's a game changer for anyone who wants to create a detailed and accurate drawing. And up next, we have drawing paper and sketch pads. High quality paper is essential for artists that want to create a drawing that lasts for a long time, as it can withstand different drawing techniques and mediums. So you want to look for paper that is thick, that is durable, that can handle anything that you would like to draw on. And then of course, sketch pads, and then bound small drawing books that have a good amount of pages. The link below sends you to the page where you can browse and look at different types of papers and different types of sketchbooks, and so you can pick the one that kind of stands out to you or fits your needs. Up next, we have art storage. So keeping art supplies organized can be a challenge. I usually run into this problem frequently. And so art storage solutions can be a rolling cart, a storage box, anything that helps keep supplies and all your stuff organized. On my wish list, I struggle with keeping my large papers organized and safe from being damaged. And so put down a 5-drawer steel flat file case that allows you to lay your drawings down flat in a drawer. It keeps them safe. The other thing on my wish list is a wooden drawer box, storage box. This allows you to lay out all your pencils or markers or whatever you draw with in this drawer, so you can pull it in and out and grab the tools you need. Just keeps them together. Currently I use bins to put all my stuff in, but it's hard to keep the desk a little organized, and so usually things just kind of gather inside there and overflow. And then last is a fixative. This is a product that allows you to protect your drawings so that you don't smear them as much. It puts a coating over it and prevents damage to your artwork as you pick them up and move them around. In this last section, let's talk about coloring tools or inking tools that I use or that is on my wish list. First, I want to mention Micron pens. They're my favorite. I use them often. They have high quality ink with precision tips, and these are perfect for adding fine detail to your drawings. If you're really into inking and you want to explore inking, I would highly recommend these. And then on my wish list, I have Copic markers, and these are another popular choice among artists for their high quality ink and wide range of colors. I've seen some great work from these types of markers. Finally, we have what we call India ink. This is a popular choice among artists as well. It's got deep, rich color, and it can be used with brushes or pens to create some really nice detail and some high contrast drawings. These are some amazing gift ideas that I believe is great for people who love to draw or who are just starting out to draw. And hopefully, if you're looking for something for a friend or a relative, a gift that will bring them joy, I think drawing tools is great. And please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.